rock cover band, soundtrack to this town. I bet it's happening all around. But to the sound of bonfire Saturday night, singing crickets harmonizing outside. The buzz of those stadium lights made me fall in love with this place. It's soundy, it serves and thank you ma'ams, and the church crowd raising their hands. I wanna crank up my speakers and hit that replay. Listen all day to the small town serenade. How'd that sound? Alright, we good? Thank you. Right now there's a police siren flashing at a smoked out car of teenagers. Right now there's a newborn baby crying, single mama gonna have to raise her. To the sound of bonfire Saturday night, singing crickets harmonizing outside. The buzz of those stadium lights made me fall in love with this place. It's soundy, it serves and thank you ma'ams, and the church crowd raising their hands. I wanna crank up my speakers and hit that replay. Listen all day to small town serenade. A small town serenade. Yeah, well the hustle, the bustle can draw you right in this little town that we're all living in. But if you drive to the limits a couple of miles, its best song is silence. At those bonfires Saturday night, singing crickets harmonizing outside. The buzz of those stadium lights made me fall in love with this place. It's a soundy, yes sirs, and thank you ma'ams, and the church crowd raising their hands. I wanna crank up my speakers and hit that replay. Listen all day to the small town serenade. Yeah, to the small town serenade. One more time.